All right, guys, it's time for the boss level challenge. And in this challenge, we're going to be using what we learned in previous modules to build out the functionality of our app so that we can actually get real-time data for the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoins to give our app its full functionality. And we're going to be using the API provided by coinapi.io. So if you head over to this web address and take a look at their API docs, you'll see that they can provide a whole bunch of data on a lot of different coins. But what we're mostly interested in is the exchange rates. So if you head into REST API exchange rates, you can see that the way that you would be able to get the price of Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency that they provide has a URL that looks something like this. So you have the base URL up to here, and then you have the cryptocurrency identifier. And then after a forward slash, you have the fiat currency such as US dollars or pound sterling or euros. And this will give you back a piece of JSON data that looks something like this, where you can tap into this rate object and get hold of the current value. Say, for example, in this case, the price of Bitcoins in US dollars. But that's not it. We also have to provide a way of authenticating ourselves, so an API key, just like what we did in the Klima app when we worked with the Open Weather Map API. So in order to get hold of an API key, you have to head over to coinapi.io/pricing, and we're just going to go for the free one, which limits us to 100 daily requests, but that's more than enough to complete our challenge. So now if you click on Get an API Key, fill in your email and your name. The title you can leave as student, and company size leave as 1 to 10. And then click on Get a Free API Key. And then go into the email that you typed in, and you should find an email from coinapi.io giving you access to your API key. So then the final URL that you're looking at will look something like this. So it's rest.coinapi.io/version1v1/exchange rate/the cryptocurrency and then /the fiat currency. And all of these symbols are already listed in the starting project, so you don't have to worry about that. And then at the end of the URL, we can tag on the API key, just like what we did with the parameters in the Open Weather Map API. And then we can set it equal to the API that they sent us through email, like this. And now when I go ahead and hit enter, you can see it gives me back that data and the current price of Bitcoin in US dollars. And this works for, of course, any other currency. So say if we wanted to know it in euros, or if we wanted to know the price of Ethereum. So this is going to be the URL that you're going to be working with in order to complete this challenge.